Exclusive, Paramount Players has acquired Unboxing, a script from Ice Age, the Meltdown writer Jim Hecht that indie studio Pocket.watch has been set to produce as a feature film. Albie Hecht, the former Nickelodeon and HLN boss and now Pocket.watch's chief creative officer, is the producer. The plot centers on a mischievous 11-year-old YouTube star who unboxes her father's secret safe as a stunt for her channel and unleashes the treacherous Puck and his band of evil tricksters on a small town. Jim Hecht, who is also Albie Hecht's nephew, reunites with Paramount after he recently rewrote for the studio one of John Hughes' final scripts, the Gribsbys Go Broke. He also is penning the movie out of stock for Netflix, and adapting for Warner Bros. TV The Big Cigar, from a Playboy article about Black Panthers co-founder Huey Newton. Pocket.watch CEO Chris M. Williams is executive producing Unboxed. Ali Bell is overseeing for Paramount. Jim Hecht is repped by WME, Gotham Group and Del Shaw.
Watch was repped in the deal by WME and Del Shaw.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.